Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to use Manychat with Instagram keyword comments. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the settings over here and make sure your Instagram is connected over here. And now once you have done that, you can just simply go to the automation on the left side over here, guys, and just simply click on new automation in the top right. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for this one, auto DM links from comments. So just simply click on this, or you can go for auto reply to comment. And now from here, just simply select a specific post or a reel that you will have this automation with. And after that, guys, as you can see, once you have selected a specific post or reel, so guys, from here, just simply provide a keyword that you want. So let's say I'm gonna go for claim and enter. And after that, when they comment claim, as you can see, if we scroll down below, this will be the opening DM that you have, and this is how it will look. So from here, guys, you will have an option to re-customize it over here or change the necessary information. Down below, you will have here the link. And when they click on this link, as you can see, you can provide a message over here. So just simply write a message over here. And after that, just simply provide a link over here. So guys, let's say I'm gonna go for youtube.com as an example. So just simply link your website over here or your personal page. And after that, you can change the button label. So let's say I'm gonna go for subscribe now. And as you can see, it will look something like this, guys. And if we scroll down, you can automate things as well, like publicly reply to a comment. As you can see, it will look something like this. And you will have these options over here, and you can change it as well. So if you don't want that, you can just simply uncheck this. And once you are done, just simply click on live on the top right. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.